Hey everyone, welcome to the Fusion 360 Design and Engineering What's New video for August 2021. We've got some great quality of life improvements this month and a new simulation type you don't want to miss. Let's check it out. To start us off, we have some new quality of life improvements in the general modeling engine that are worth noting. You'll find far better performance with moderate to heavy modeling operations, including large patterns. The profile solver has also been upgraded so your sketches are far more responsive. Next up, the loft command now includes the surface analysis tools that many of you have been asking for. See how your tangency weight changes flow with the existing surfaces, or how rails change the surface behavior. By the way, this works both in the solid and surface loft commands. If you use distributed or bottom-up designs, this next feature is a great one. You can now provide visibility overrides for linked components inside the higher level assembly. Previously, the only way to hide components of a linked design was to either edit in place or edit externally and then update references. This now makes a temporary visibility change just inside the document you're working on. Mesh space users may have noticed the lack of flat shading with the release of parametric mesh in July. We've brought it back for this release. Lastly, we're super excited to announce a new simulation feature. Here's one of our resident plastic experts to tell you more.
Hey everyone! In this month's Fusion 360 update, there's a new technical preview available, Injection Molding Simulation. As a reminder, tech previews can be turned on through the Preferences menu under Preview Features. Once turned on, this tech preview lets you select Injection Molding Simulation within the simulation workspace. For those familiar with Autodesk MoldFlow simulation products, Injection Molding Simulation for Fusion 360 utilizes some of the same powerful solver methods for accurate predictions of manufactured part quality. This enables all you designers and engineers to quickly identify if your plastic part designs are ready for injection molding. Following the setup summary, it's easy to quickly access part selection, material choice, injection location, molding process settings, and even aesthetic faces. Notice when a part is selected, an automatically applied injection location is added. The automatic injection location can be used as is, relocated, or you can even add additional injection points. This injection molding simulation is currently designed to focus on helping part designers and engineers to gain preliminary insights of part quality in order to reduce possible delays from the need to make large design changes later on. Specific settings may still be unknown for many users at this stage in the design cycle, so although you can customize any of the inputs to improve as molded accuracy, Fusion 360 automatically adds default values, so you can get a high-level look at how your part may be molded to improve your part design considerations. Without touching any of these, you can actually just jump right into solving the simulation with all those default settings. After running the simulation on cloud solvers, you can quickly identify problematic regions through graphic, guided results. Review fill quality, visual defects, and part warpage, along with recommendations for the next steps to fix those concerns. If you are more familiar with injection molding or looking to gain more simulation insights, you can switch to the results view. The summary log shows things like injection and cooling times, as well as maximum pressures. The individual result plots add more detail through animated results that can be probed for even more specific details. Like other simulations in Fusion 360, it's possible to clone the study or create a brand new study, even on a different assembly part. You can then utilize comparison tools in the results to compare things like process, material, and even gating location changes. Now, it's important to note that there are many different ways to modify an injection molding process for manufacturing. Because of this tech preview is currently limited to analyzing accurate results for traditional injection molding of individual parts only. It does not yet support more complex molding sequences, nor allow for analyzing mold design features such as feed systems, cooling systems, or multi-cavity designs. And although there are thousands of lab-tested material grades within the material library, this preview is also currently restricted to thermoplastic materials only. and does not yet support carbon fiber-filled materials. So keep this in mind as you work through this tech preview. But the product team is eager to hear your feedback, so test it out and share your thoughts to the Injection Molding Simulation Tech Preview post within the Fusion 360 Feedback Hub.
That's all we've got in this video, but as always, there's more on Kaching's blog. Be sure and check out the What's New for Electronics and Manufacturing videos as well. Electronics has a new manufacturing export functionality that is pretty sweet. After checking out the other 2 What's New videos for this month, head on over to your favorite podcast provider and tickle your eardrums and your brain with the New Possible podcast. This month takes a closer look at design firm CW&T, innovative designers of all kinds of products. Be sure and check them out. We'll see you next time.